Space. As we all know that space is expanding every time. But have you ever thought that in this expanding space, is everything quiet? So today I will tell you the answer. And you will also hear the voice present in space. But as we all know that sound can't travel in space, because the vacuum outer space has essentially zero air, and sound travels in air. But visible light and other electromagnetic and radio waves can travel. Using electromagnetic technology, NASA scientist has recorded sounds from many planets and stars. So let's listen. But first, plug in headphones for better experience. So first, the sun. The sun is 696,340 km big. Means about 1 million Earth can be fit in sun. So let's listen how the big sun sounds like.
Next is Mercury, which is the closest planet to Sun. Mercury radius is 2,439.7 kilometers. Now let's listen to its sound. Next is Venus. Venus radius is 6,051.8 kilometers. Let's listen its sound. Next is Earth. Earth in which we are living. You would know the size, so let's just listen its sound. Now our neighbor, Mars. Mars radius is 3,389.5 kilometers. Means you can fit 7 Mars in the Earth. So let's listen the sound of Mars. So let's move on the next, which is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet of our solar system. Jupiter radius is 69,911 kilometers. Means more than 1,300 Earths would fit inside Jupiter. That's amazing. Now let's go towards the sound of Jupiter. Next is Saturn. Saturn radius is 58,232 kilometers. Means more than 700 Earths could fit inside Saturn. So let's listen its sound.
Next is Uranus. Uranus' radius is 25,362 kilometers. Means 63 Earths could fit inside Uranus. And 4 Earths could line up across its diameter. So let's listen its sound.
Next is Neptune. Neptune radius is 24,622 kilometers. Means 57 Earths could fit inside Neptune. So let's listen its sound. Next is Pluto. Pluto radius is 1,188.3 kilometers. So let's listen its sound.
Hope you enjoyed my video. If you want more video, so you can subscribe this channel and press the bell. Thanks for watching.